So before we start, I would just want to say we had planned this very show for June 2020. We had booked the hall, and as you all know, nothing happened. Everything went for a toss. A lot of people, this is a very serious note, a lot of people, even in class, lost a near and dear one to COVID. So I would like to start with a 1 minute silence. Just a few words before we start. When we went online, the pandemic hit in March, and we went online in June after the summer vacations. It was a big challenge for everybody. For a music class, it's a big challenge because it's not a one-to-one thing. I take them in small groups, and there is no way two people can sing together. No app, no software allows two people to sing together online while you're live. So be it Zoom, be it Google Duo. So when I sing, they are singing on mute. They put their videos, their audios on mute, and they sing with me because there's a time lag. And then one by one, I make them open and sing back to me. They don't get the support of the harmonium. So I taught them how to use the tanpura. The tanpura is a support every singer from Shankar Mahadevan to Shreya Ghoshal will swear by. It's very difficult to use it because you have to have a tune for it. 3 notes played together and you have to find your sa over there. So I taught many of them to use it, to download the Tanpura app on their phone and to use that. It's helped a lot of people, and a lot of people really haven't been able to do much in the online classes. We have a lot of new children with us. My Saturday morning batch joined me only in April. So they had 1 month and 15 days of class, literally 6 sessions. And they're going to sing for you after just 6 classes with me. So let's have an advance applause for them. This is my new batch of Monday children who joined in the pandemic online classes, and they did online classes for a good 6 to 8 months. And I first met some of these children, people like Arab and all. I met them for the first time in February after the third wave or whatever. So again, it was a challenging job getting them and putting them on stage and making them capable. They will sing well, I'm sure. We've worked hard towards it. Our theme this year, that was for all of you all. Our theme this year is copycats. We say copycats because our Bollywood industry, every composer has borrowed from somewhere. A lot of it is borrowed from Hollywood, from English songs. So the songs that you hear, you think you give the composer so much credit, but he's lifted it directly from somewhere else. So we have taken the original song, which will be sung from this side, and the copied version, which will be sung from this side. Some students who have left my class, 1 or 2 could not handle online. Some moved out of the city in Jan and Feb, and they haven't been able to come, but I kept online classes for just those who are out. So there's someone from California, someone from London, some from Bangalore, Mumbai, etc. There's one boy in Australia who sang. So those 4 or 5 people who have sung from outside Calcutta have sent in their videos. You will see that video on screen. So I've given them a small solo part. So they are also a part of their show, even though they are not in Calcutta. The names of all the performers also, I will not announce them. They will be flashed on the screen. So we'll save that much of time. And lastly, I wanted to mention to you the challenges of singing on a track. We don't have live musicians. So we have everything on karaoke tracks. Some tracks we got sourced from the internet. Some tracks we had them made because internet mein track mein maja nahi aaya. So a lot of editing happened. And the challenge of a track is that when you make a mistake for a live show, the musicians will cover up. If you go slow, they will slow down for you. If you miss a beat, they'll do it for you. The track is like, everybody is Bhagwan. I tell them, track, agar tum log nahi gaye track ke saath, to mera band bajega, meri izzat rakhna bhai, please track ke saath gana. They've been very sweet. They said, no, ma'am, we won't let you down. So you have to remember, मैंने बहुत editing किया है. जैसे original में one line is sung twice. I said, नहीं, तुम लोग को एक ही बार गाना है. तो भूल से कोई second time गा लेता है, फिर कोई nudge करता है, मत नहीं गाने का है. I've done a lot of changes. But they've all lived up to it, and I hope you enjoy our show. So presenting Copycat Season 2, because we did the same thing about 7 to 8 years back. That time it took some of these songs. I've repeated only 2 or 3. I think one Konkani song, Gegere Saiba, and some of them. But apart from that, we have taken 26 songs. Believe it's not a very long program. I will finish at 1 or maybe 1:5. But you'll be amazed. R.D. Burman himself, someone compiled a list of 50 songs copied. R.D. Burman has lifted from somewhere. People think even like Mehbooba from Sholay. We can't do all those songs. My manpower is less. Man as in male singers. I've got fewer male singers because they move out more than the girls. So we have taken 3 or 4 of those numbers, but everybody from Rajesh Roshan to Pritam to Shantanu Moitra, they have lifted majorly from other songs. So enjoy the show and keep clapping, keep cheering. Thank you so much.
If you miss the train I'm on, you will know that I am lost. You can hear the whistle. 100 miles, 100 miles, 100 miles, 100 miles. You can hear the whistle blow. 100 miles. Lord, I'm 1, Lord, I'm 2, Lord, I'm 3, Lord, I'm 4, Lord, I'm 5, 100 miles away from home. Not a shirt on my back, not a penny to my name. Lord, I can't go back home this away, this away, this away, this away, this away. Lord, I can't go back home this away. Lord, I'm 1, Lord, I'm 2, Lord, I'm 3, Lord, I'm 4, Lord, I'm 500 miles away from home. जब कोई बात कर जाए, जब कोई मुश्किल पड़ जाए, तुम देना साथ मेरा, ओ हमनवाज। जब कोई बात कर जाए, जब कोई मुश्किल पड़ जाए, तुम देना साथ मेरा, ओ हमनवाज। न कोई है न कोई था जिंदगी में तुम्हारे सिवा, तुम देना साथ मेरा, ओ हमनवाज। तुम देना साथ मेरा, ओ हमनवाज। जब तक रात जीता है हर कोई साथ, तुम मगर अंधेरों में ना छोड़ना मेरा हाथ। हो चांदनी जब तक रात देता है हर कोई साथ, तुम मगर अंधेरों
The genius of Rabindranath Tagore has been recognized the world over. So, it is expected that even our Bollywood film industry would draw inspiration from his work. Presenting Tomar Holo Shuru, Amar Holo Shara. I'm going to let you guess which Bollywood number is a copy of this song. Hint, the movie is Yarana and the music director Rajesh Roshan.
তোমার হলো শুরু আমার হলো সারা তোমার হলো শুরু আমার হলো সারা তোমায় আমায় মিলে এমনি বহে ধারা তোমার হলো শুরু আমার হলো সারা তোমার জলে বাতি তোমার ঘরে সাথী আমার তরে রাখি আমার তরে তারা তোমার হলো শুরু আমার হলো সারা मेरे मन को किया तुमने क्या इशारा छूकर मेरे मन को किया तूने क्या इशारा बदला ये मौसम लगे प्यारा जग सारा छूकर मेरे मन को किया तूने क्या इशारा बदला ये मौसम लगे प्यारा जग सारा छूकर मेरे मन को किया तूने क्या इशारा तू जो कहे जीवन भर तेरे लिए मैं गाऊं तेरे लिए मैं गाऊं गीत तेरे बोलों पे लिखता चला जाऊं लिखता चला जाऊं मेरे गीतों में तुझे ढूंढे जग सारा छूकर मेरे मन को किया तूने क्या इशारा बदला ये मौसम लगे प्यारा जग सारा छूकर मेरे मन को किया तूने क्या इशारा
About a bridal party wanting to cross a river to go for the wedding across, and the boatman refusing to take them because the river is flooding due to heavy rain. The bride offers first money, then her jewelry, because she's desperate to get on his boat. Ghe ghe re sahiba. Lakshmikant Pyarelal copied not just the tune but also some lyrics in their version of the song in the film Bobby.
साहेबा पेंतडी नेता दामोल्या लग्न कविता म्हाका साहेबा वाट दाखोय म्हाका साहेबा वाट बोलू ना हांव साहेबा पेंतडी नेता दामोल्या लग्न कविता म्हाका चाहूं सोना चांदी, ना चाहूं हीरा मोती, ये मेरे किस काम के। ना मांगू बंगला बाड़ी, ना मांगू घोड़ा गाड़ी, ये तो है बस नाम के। देता है दिल दे, बदले में दिल ले, देता है दिल दे, बदले में दिल ले। गे रे साहिबा, प्यार में सौदा नहीं। गे रे साहिबा, प्यार में सौदा नहीं। बोले बोले डोंगरे, उदाक कोंगरे, उदाक कोंगरे चले कुलवाट कोंगरे। ना जानू मुल्ला काजी, ना जानू काबा काशी, मैं तो हूँ प्रेम पियासा रे। मेरे सपनों की रानी होगी तुमको हैरानी, मैं तो तेरा दीवाना रे। देती है दिल दे, बदले में दिल ले, देती है दिल दे, बदले में दिल ले। गे रे साहिबा, प्यार में सौदा नहीं। गे रे साहिबा, प्यार में सौदा नहीं। प्यार में सौदा नहीं, प्यार में सौदा नहीं।
Stormed into and ruled the world of pop music from the 70s for many decades. Our very own R.D. Burman lifted the tune of one of their very famous songs, Mamma Mia, for the film Hum Kisi Se Kam Nahi in 1977. We love singing this song, especially the original song. We hope you like it too.
I've been cheated by you since I don't know when. So I made up my mind, it must come to an end. Look at me now, will I ever learn? I don't know how, but I suddenly lose control. There's a fire within my soul. Just one look and I can hear a bell ring. One more look and I forget everything. Whoa, Mamma Mia, here I go again. My, how can I resist you? Mamma Mia, does it show again? My, just how much I miss you. Yes, I've been broken hearted, blue since the day we parted. Bye, did I ever let you go? Mamma Mia, now I really know. My, I could never let you go. तेरे लिए ज़माना तेरे लिए और तू मेरे लिए। तेरे लिए ज़माना तेरे लिए और तू मेरे लिए। मिल गया हमको साथी, मिल गया हमसे घर
band, Black Blood, popularized a song called Chicano in Swahili in the 1970s. The tune was lifted by a music director called Biddu for the film Kurbani in 1980. We could not find the lyrics of this song from the internet, so we sourced them from someone in Uganda and look forward to singing it for you. The lyrics are a tongue twister, but they're great fun.
रफीकी शिकानो टूटा कुलनाओ टूटिया शिकानो kama unapenda majini shikano tutakunywa nao pombe ya tequila kama unafika hapana kuwaza wanze kimba nao kucheza shikano kama unafika rafiki shikano tutakula nao tutia shikano
लैला मैं लैला ऐसी हूँ लैला हर कोई चाहे मुझसे मिलना अकेला लैला मैं लैला ऐसी हूँ लैला हर कोई चाहे मुझसे मिलना अकेला जिसको भी देखो दुनिया भुला दूं मजनू बना दूं ऐसी मैं लैला मोहब्बत का जिसको तरीका लाया उसे जिंदगी का सलीका लाया राहे वफा में जहाँ पर जो खेला उसके लिए है ये हसीनों का मेला
लैला तू लैला ऐसी तू लैला हर कोई चाहे मुझसे मिलना अकेला
Our Bollywood music directors borrowed heavily from Hollywood, but they also drew inspiration from various folk songs of India, and that makes us so proud. The Gujarati folk song Hey Ranglo was copied not once but twice in Hindi films. First in the film Suhag in 1994, and then again in the film Love Yatri in 2018. Sing along, tap your feet, clap along, or get up and dance with this one.
हे रंगलो श्याम्यो काळीने घाटो गाडा तारा मोरे चलिला तारा मोरे
हे काल के पंजे से माता बचाओ, जय माष्ट भवानी। काल के पंजे से माता बचाओ, जय माष्ट भवानी माँ, जय माष्ट भवानी माँ, जय माष्ट भवानी। हे नाम रे सबसे बड़ा तेरा नाम, ओ शेरों वाली ऊंचे डेरों वाली, बिगड़े बना दे मेरे काम नाम रे।
हे नाम रे सबसे बड़ा तेरा नाम, ओ शेरों वाली ऊंचे डेरों वाली, बिगड़े बना दे मेरे काम नाम रे।
ऐसा कठिन पल ऐसी घड़ी है, विपदा आन पड़ी है।
तू ही देखा रास्ता ए दुनिया, रास्तारों के खड़ी है।
मेरा जीवन बना एक संग्राम, ओ शेरों वाली ऊंचे डेरों वाली, बिगड़े बना दे मेरे काम नाम रे। हे नाम रे सबसे बड़ा तेरा नाम, ओ शेरों वाली ऊंचे डेरों वाली, बिगड़े बना दे मेरे काम नाम रे।
આવી ગઈ રાત મને ભૂલો બધી વાત પ્રેમની मौसम छे अब आओ मेरे पास रह जाओ मेरे साथ प्रेमनी मौसम छे ओ આવી ગઈ રાत મને ભૂલો બધી વાત प्रेमनी मौसम छे अब आओ मेरे पास रह जाओ मेरे साथ प्रेमनी मौसम छे मिल जाए मुझको अगर साथ तेरा तो भूलूं मैं सारा जहां छोगाड़ा तारा छबीला तारा रंगीला तारा रंग पेरू जुए तारी बाट रे हाँ छोगाड़ा तारा और छबीला तारा और रंगीला तारा रंग पेरू जुए तारी बाट रे छोगाड़ा तारा और छबीला तारा और रंगीला तारा रंग पेरू जुए तारी बाट रे।
Coming up next is a very famous song by a wonderful singer, Cliff Richards, Theme for a Dream. This popular song was very beautifully recreated in the film Lage Raho Munna Bhai by Shantanu Moitra in 2016. We are sure you'll be able to guess which song.
You are my theme for a dream, yes you are a rare and lovely theme. You're my theme for a dream. The dreams I dream day and night, that your arms are holding me so tight. You're my theme for a dream. When I dream I kiss you, music fills the starlight. Every time I touch you, when I touch you, each and every time the time rings out, I love you, only you forevermore, 'cause you're my theme for a dream, yes you are, a rare and lovely theme, you're my theme for a dream, so angel please say that you love me too, and make my dreams come true, you're my theme for a dream. पल 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 हर पल कैसे कटेगा पल हर पल 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 हर पल कैसे कटेगा पल हर पल दिल 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 में मची है हलचल कैसे कटेगा पल हर पल कैसे कटेगा पल हर पल 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 हर पल कैसे कटेगा पल हर पल हा 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 ला 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 ओ हम सफर लगता है डर रात कटे ना कभी हो सहर इस पल में सिमटे उमर रात कटे ना कभी हो सहर तू जो है साथ मेरे तो डगर लगे कि जैसे खूबसूरत घर तू जो है साथ मेरे तो डगर लगे कि जैसे खूबसूरत घर तू जो है साथ तो ये अंबर लगे कि जैसे साया हो सर पर तेरे कांधे पर रख कर सर यूं ही कट जाए सारी उम्र पल 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 हर पल कैसे कटेगा पल हर पल हा 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 ला 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 ला
When R.D. Burman created the song Tumse Milke for the film Parinda, few people knew it was directly lifted from When I Need You by Leo Sayer. Anyway, the Hindi song was a great hit, and that's what matters, right?
When I need you, I just close my eyes and I'm with you. And all that I so wanna give you, it's only a heartbeat away. When I need love, I hold out my hands and I touch love. I never knew there was so much love, keeping me warm night and day. Miles and miles of empty space in between us. The telephone can take the place of your smile. But you know I won't be traveling forever. It's cold out, but hold out and do like I do when I need you. Just close my eyes and I'm with you. And all that I so wanna give you, it's only a heartbeat away. तुमसे मिलके ऐसा लगा, तुमसे मिलके अरमां हुए पूरे दिल के.
तुमसे मिलके ऐसा लगा, तुमसे मिलके अरमां हुए पूरे दिल के. ए मेरी जाने वफा, तेरी मेरी मेरी तेरी एक जान है. साथ तेरे रहेंगे सदा, तुमसे न होंगे जुदा.
तुमसे मिलके ऐसा लगा, तुमसे मिलके अरमां हुए
कसम छोड़ेंगे अब ना ये हाथ।
ये जिंदगी
ला ला ला
गुजरेगी अब
ला ला ला
हमदम तुम्हारे साथ।
अपना ये वादा रहा तुमसे न होंगे जुदा।
तुमसे मिलके ऐसा लगा, तुमसे मिलके अरमां हुए पूरे दिल के। ऐ मेरी जाने वफा, तेरी मेरी मेरी तेरी एक जान है। साथ तेरे रहेंगे सदा, तुमसे न होंगे जुदा।
Up next is a lesser known Scottish song that was again copied not once but twice. Tagore adapted the song Ye Banks and Braes into his lilting Foole Foole Dole Dole, and then a part of this song was used again in the film Parinita. We love the songs, and our little ones are happy to sing them for you.
Ye banks and braes of bonny Doon, how can ye bloom sae fresh and fair? How can ye chant, ye little birds, and I say weary, full of care? You'll break my heart, ye gobbling birds, and motion through the flowery thorn. Ye mind me of departed joys, departed never to return. Ye banks and braes of bonny Doon, how can ye bloom sae fresh and fair? How can ye chant, ye little birds, and I say very full of care? Ye'll break my heart, ye warbling birds that wanton through the flowery dawn. Ye mind me of departed joys, departed never to return. Foole foole dole dole, bae ki kamre dubai. Foole foole dole dole, bae ki kamre dubai. Lolo tuli korole chaliya jay. Piko kiba kunje kunje, piko kiba kunje kunje, gugai. Jani kishe lagi prano kore hai hai. Jani kishe lagi prano kore hai hai.
सुना सुना मन का आंगन, ढूंढे पायल की वो छन छन। सुनी सुनी मन की सरगम, बीत तेरे हमदम मन शाम हो या सवेरा लगा तेरी ही यादों का डेरा तूने बंधन क्यों ये तोड़ा काहे को मुंह मोड़ा होना
फूल फूल भंवरा डोले मन में गूंजी तेरी याद बाग में पपीहा बोले पीहू 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 कहा फूल फूल भंवरा डोले मन में गूंजी तेरी याद बाग में पपीहा बोले पीहू 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 कहा.
While we're at Scottish songs, here's another one. Only this one is very famous. Auld Lang Syne is sung all over the world on New Year's Day. And this song also, like the previous one, appealed to Rabindranath Tagore so much, he adapted it to give India and the world the iconic Purano Sheikh Dinir Kotha. For this one, we'll display the lyrics on screen. So sing along if you know the tune.
Should all acquaintance be forgot and never brought to mind? Should all acquaintance be forgot and days of all anxiety? For all anxiety, my dear, for all anxiety, we'll take a cup of kindness here for all anxiety. And here's a hand, my trusty friend, and here's a hand of thine. We'll take a cup of kindness here for all anxiety. পুরানো সেদিনের কথা ভুলবি কি রে আয়ো সেই চোখের দেখা প্রাণের কথা সে কি ভোলা যায় পুরানো সেদিনের কথা ভুলবি কি রে আয়ো সেই চোখের দেখা প্রাণের কথা সে কি ভোলা যায় আয় আর একটি বার আয় রে সখা প্রাণের মাঝে আয় মোরা সুখে দুঃখের কথা কবু প্রাণ জুড়াবে তাই পুরানো সেদিনের কথা ভুলবি কি রে আয়ো সেই চোখের দেখা প্রাণের কথা সে কি ভোলা যায় সে কি ভোলা যায় সে কি ভোলা যায়.
Korean pop music, also known as K-pop, is a rage in India. And that's something we discovered when some of our students said they knew the song already. Sarangeo, meaning I love you in Korean, was directly lifted by music director Pritam for the movie Race. Let's hear both songs. The Korean song looks tough to us, but it was a piece of cake for our two singers today.
Hello.
아주 조금의 네 품에서 날 남겨두고 떠나가라면 영화 본 거 잘알잖아. 사랑해요 다시 시작해요. 힘들게만 했던 그때지만 I love my friend. 너 아니면 안 돼. 우리 사랑은 정해져 버린 운명대로. पहली नजर में ऐसा जादू कर दिया, तेरा बन बैठा है मेरा जिया। जाने क्या होगा क्या पता, इस पल को लेके आज जी ले जरा। मैं हूँ यहाँ तू है यहाँ, मेरी बाहों में आ भी जा। ओ जाने जा दोनों जहां, मेरी बाहों में आ भूल जा। ओ जाने जा दोनों जहां, मेरी बाहों में आ भूल जा। हर दुआ में शामिल तेरा प्यार है, बिन तेरे लम्हा भी दुश्वार है। धड़कनों को तुझसे ही दरकार है, तुझसे है राहते, तुझसे है चाहते। तू जो मिली एक दिन मुझे, मैं कहीं हो गया लापता। ओ जाने जा दोनों जहां, मेरी बाहों में आ भूल जा। ओ जाने जा दोनों जहां, मेरी बाहों में आ भूल जा।
The Yellow Rose of Texas is a traditional American folk song dating back to at least the 1850s. It is based on the story of Emily West, the African American woman who was the inspiration for this creation. The Bollywood adaptation is from the film Aa Gale Lag Ja, and the music director, any guesses? R.D. Burman again.
There's a yellow rose of Texas I'm going home to see. Though other man and elder, her heart belongs to me. You've traveled down some dusty roads, slept out in the rain, but this yellow rose is always here when you come home again. She knows I've done some hard time. You stumbled and you fell, I just kept your pride from dying. You saved my soul from hell. She's a diamond of the desert, she's a golden flower of spring. She's the yellow rose of Texas, she can make a man a king.
तेरा मुझसे है पहले का नाता कोई, यूं ही नहीं दिल लुभाता कोई।
तेरा मुझसे है पहले का नाता कोई, यूं ही नहीं दिल लुभाता कोई।
जाने तू जुदा
देखो अभी ये होना नहीं, कभी जुदा होना नहीं।
अब तेरे दिल रहेंगे दोनों, वादा रहा ये इस शाम का, जाने तू या जाने ना, माने तू या माने ना। तेरा मुझसे है पहले का नाता कोई, यूं ही नहीं दिल लुभाता कोई। ला 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 ला।
The Gujarati song we're going to present next is a very popular one, made even more popular after Lata Mangeshkar and Mahendra Kapoor sang it for the film Mehndi Rang Lagla in 1960. We're sure all of you will love our rendition of Pandadu Leelu Ne Rang Rato. And you'll be really, really surprised when you hear the Hindi song that resembles it so much, especially the first verse.
पांडुलिलो ने रंग रातो, पांडुलिलो ने रंग रातो, पांडुलिलो ने रंग रातो, पांडुलिलो ने रंग रातो। हे जी मारी मेहंदी रो रंग मध मातो, मध मातो, पांडुलिलो ने रंग रातो, पांडुलिलो ने रंग रातो। भूली रे पड़ी हूँ तो रंग ना बाजार माँ, भूली रे पड़ी हूँ तो रंग ना बाजार माँ। लाग्यो मने रंग के रो छाटो, पांडुलिलो ने रंग रातो। रंग रसिया जरा अटली थी अटे को, रंग रसिया जरा अटली थी अटे को। दिल ले लो भावे तारा लोचन नो लटे को, दिल ले लो भावे तारा लोचन नो लटे को। वारे वारे थाकी तो ये छेल रे छबीला तू तो, वारे वारे थाकी तो ये छेल रे छबीला तू तो। अंजानी आँख मां छुपा तो, पांडुलिलो ने रंग रातो, पांडुलिलो ने रंग रातो, पांडुलिलो ने रंग रातो। रेशमी सलवार कुर्ता जाली का, रूप सहा नहीं जाए नखरे वाली का। होए रेशमी सलवार कुर्ता जाली का, रूप सहा नहीं जाए नखरे वाली का। होए जार पीछा छोड़ मुझ मतवाली का, कार ढूंढे रास्ता पुतवाली का। जार पीछा छोड़ मुझ मतवाली का, कार ढूंढे रास्ता पुतवाली का। जब जब तुझको देखूं मेरे दिल में छुटे फुलझड़िया, करूँगा तेरे
Runa Laila's Bondhu Teen Din Tor Badite Galam Dekha Pailam Na was such a hit that though many singers tried to sing it after her, her version ruled. And then Kishore Kumar sang the full of fun Hindi version for the film Sharabi under Bappi Lahiri's music direction. Don't forget to clap hard for our little Kishore Kumar.
বন্ধু 3 দিন তোর বাড়িতে গেলাম দেখা পাইলাম না বন্ধু 3 দিন তোর বাড়িতে গেলাম দেখা পাইলাম না বন্ধু 3 দিন গান পারাইতে ছয়ানা ফিরাইতে ছয়ানা গান পারাইতে ছয়ানা ফিরাইতে ছয়ানা আইতে যাইতে 12 আনা ওষুধ হইল না বন্ধু 3 দিন তোর বাড়িতে গেলাম দেখা পাইলাম না বন্ধু 3 দিন তোর বাড়িতে গেলাম দেখা পাইলাম না বন্ধু 3 দিন বুধবারে শুভ যাত্রা বৃহস্পতিবারে মানা শুক্রবারে প্রেম প্রীতি হয় না 16 আনা শনিবারে গিয়া তোর দেখা পাইলাম না বন্ধু 3 দিন তোর বাড়িতে গেলাম দেখা পাইলাম না বন্ধু 3 দিন তোর কাছে যাইবার বেলা ঢোল না যায় কানে একলা পায়া ঘাটের মাঝি উল্টা পয়সা কানে কাপড় ভিজা যাওয়ার ভয়ে সাঁতার দিলাম না বন্ধু 3 দিন তোর বাড়িতে গেলাম দেখা পাইলাম না বন্ধু 3 দিন
जहाँ चार यार मिल जाए वहीं रात हो गुजार जहाँ चार यार महफिल रंगीन जमे दौर चले धूम मचे मस्त मस्त नजर दिखे नए चमत्कार जहाँ चार यार मिल जाए वहीं रात हो गुजार जहाँ चार यार मिल जाए वहीं रात हो गुजार जहाँ चार यार
বন্ধু 3 দিন তোর বাড়িতে গেলাম দেখা পাইলাম না বন্ধু 3 দিন
Next, we picked a number by the legendary singer Stevie Wonder. America's rhythm and blues singer wrote, produced, and sang I Just Called to Say I Love You for the film Woman in Red. It was expected then that his most commercially successful single would be lapped up by someone in India. Well, music director Ram Lakshman delivered the goods with his title song for the film Maine Pyar Kiya.
No New Year's Day to celebrate, no chocolate covered candy hearts to give away, no first of spring, no song to sing. In fact, it's just another ordinary day. No April rain, no flowers bloom, no wedding Saturday within the month of June. But what it is something true, made up of these 2 words that I must say to you. I just called to say I love you. I just called to say how much I care. I just called to say I love you, and I mean it from the bottom of my heart.
हंसते गाते सोचा था मैंने मन में कई बार, वो पहली नजर हल्का सा असर करता है क्यों इस दिल को बेकरार। रुक के चलना, चल के रुकना, ना जाने तुम्हें है किसका इंतजार। तेरा वो यकीन कहीं मैं तो नहीं, लगता है यही क्यों मुझको बार बार। यही सच है शायद मैंने प्यार किया, हाँ हाँ तुमसे मैंने प्यार किया। आते जाते हंस के गाते सोचा था मैंने मन में कई बार, वो पहली नजर हल्का सा असर करता है क्यों इस दिल को बेकरार। रुक के चलना, चल के रुकना, ना जाने तुम्हें है किसका इंतजार। तेरा वो यकीन कहीं मैं तो नहीं, लगता है यही क्यों मुझको बार बार। यही सच है शायद मैंने प्यार किया, हाँ हाँ तुमसे मैंने प्यार किया।
How many of you know that O.P. Nayyar's famous song Babuji Dheere Chalna, sung by Geeta Dutt for the film Aar Paar, has been inspired by an English song? Well, hear the original, Perhaps, Perhaps, Perhaps by Doris Day, and see if you find the resemblance between the two songs.
You won't admit you love me, and so how am I ever to know? You always tell me, perhaps, perhaps, perhaps. A million times I've asked you, and then I ask you over again. You only answer, perhaps, perhaps, perhaps. If you can make your mind up, you'll never get started. And I don't want to wind up being bothered, broken hearted. So if you really love me, say yes. But if you don't, dear, confess. And please don't tell me, perhaps, perhaps, perhaps. बाबूजी धीरे चलना, प्यार में जरा संभलना। हाँ बड़े धोखे हैं इस राह में। बाबूजी धीरे चलना, प्यार में जरा संभलना। हाँ बड़े धोखे हैं इस
बाबूजी धीरे चलना। क्यों हो खोए हुए सर झुकाए, जैसे जाते हो सब कुछ लुटाए। ये तो बाबूजी पहला कदम है, नजर आते हैं अपने पराए। हाँ बड़े धोखे हैं इस राह में, बाबूजी धीरे चलना, प्यार में जरा संभलना। हाँ बड़े धोखे हैं इस राह में, बाबूजी धीरे चलना।
On popular demand, we have picked another Gujarati song which bears a striking resemblance to an old Hindi film number. Presenting Have Thoda Thoda by Avinash Vyas and Bade Armano Se Rakha Hai Balam Teri Kasam. The Gujarati song was released in 1948 and the Hindi one in 1951. So, there's no doubt about which song inspired which one.
हमें थोड़ा थोड़ा तमें थोड़ा थोड़ा थाओ वरणागी, ओ भाभी तमें थोड़ा थोड़ा थाओ वरणागी। हमें थोड़ा थोड़ा तमें थोड़ा थोड़ा थाओ वरणागी, ओ भाभी तमें थोड़ा थोड़ा थाओ वरणागी। नवी फैशन नी धून बदलागी, नवी फैशन नी धून बदलागी, ओ भाभी तमें थोड़ा थोड़ा थाओ वरणागी। वरणागी वीरानी वरणागी बहू बनो, थोड़ू बंगाड़ी ने अंग्रेजी बहू बनो। वरणागी वीरानी वरणागी बहू बनो, थोड़ू बंगाड़ी ने अंग्रेजी बहू बनो। मारा भाई के रो ब्रह्म जाए मानी, ओ भाभी तमें थोड़ा थोड़ा थाओ वरणागी। हमें थोड़ा थोड़ा तमें थोड़ा थोड़ा थाओ वरणागी, ओ भाभी तमें थोड़ा थोड़ा थाओ वरणागी। बड़े अरमानों से रखा है बलम तेरी कसम, ओ बलम तेरी कसम। प्यार की दुनिया में ये पहला कदम हो, पहला कदम। जुदा न कर सकेंगे हमको ज़माने के सितम, ओ ज़माने के सितम। प्यार की दुनिया में ये पहला कदम हो, पहला कदम। ले उठा प्यार की अंगड़ाई है दिल की जवा, अजी ऐसे मिलिए जाते हो तुम बोलो कहाँ। अजी ऐसे मिलिए जाते हो तुम बोलो कहाँ। दूर दुनिया की निगाहों से कहीं जाएंगे हम, ओ कहीं जाएंगे हम। प्यार की दुनिया में ये पहला कदम हो, पहला कदम। बड़े अरमान से रखा है बलम तेरी कसम, ओ बलम तेरी कसम। प्यार की दुनिया में ये पहला कदम हो, पहला कदम।
The mystique of the Middle East has influenced the music, and many Arabian songs have been adapted in many countries because of their distinct musical arrangement and flavor. We present Ya Ghali and the Bollywood version from the film Gangster. Music director Preetham did not bother to hide the fact that his song was a copy, so the music of both songs is almost the same.
या घाले शबर वाले या घाले अब हाले या घाले शबर वाले या घाले अब हाले या घाले भेष को बकन सानी जफानी जमानी रेश को बकन सानी जफानी जमानी या घाले शबल वाली या घाले साब हाली या घाले या घाले या घाले मासादतगी उन्नी वावामी अय्यामी या घाले मासादतगी उन्नी वावामी अय्यामी या घाले वंदतरे हबीबी मागो दे फगे वंदतरे हबीबी मागो दे फगे انت معنا حياتي وجودي غرامي انت معنا حياتي وجودي غرامي يا غالي شبل بالي يا غالي صعب حالي يا غالي شبل بالي يا غالي صعب حالي يا غالي
या अली रहम अली या अली यार पे कुर्बा है सभी या अली मदद अली या अली ये मेरी जाए जिंदगी इश्क पे हाँ मिटा दूँ लुटा दूँ मैं अपनी खुदी यार पे हाँ लुटा दूँ मिटा दूँ मैं ये हंसती या अली रहम अली या अली यार पे कुर्बा है सभी या अली मदद अली या अली ये मेरी जाए जिंदगी मुझे कुछ पल दे गुर्बत के फकीर हम तेरी चाहत के रहे बेचैन दिल कब तक मिले कुछ पल दो राहत के चाहत पे इश्क पे हाँ मिटा दूँ लुटा दूँ मैं अपनी खुदी यार पे हाँ लुटा दूँ मिटा दूँ मैं ये हंसती या अली रहम अली या अली यार पे कुर्बा है सभी या अली मदद अली या अली ये मेरी जाए जिंदगी
We now bring you two classics from the 50s. Sugar Time by the McGuire Sisters, which was released in 1958, and the totally copied version in the film Dil De Ke Dekho, exactly a year later. Well, we're not complaining because we absolutely love the Hindi copied version as much as the original number.
Sugar in the morning, sugar
दिल देख देखो जी, दिल लेने वालों दिल देना सीखो जी, हो दिल लेने वालों दिल देना सीखो जी। दिल देख देखो दिल देख देखो दिल देख देखो जी, दिल लेने वालों दिल देना सीखो जी, हो दिल लेने वालों दिल देना सीखो जी। पूछो 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 परवाने से जरा, धीरे धीरे चलने में कैसा है मजा। पूछो 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 परवाने से जरा, धीरे धीरे चलने में कैसा है मजा। हो तुम भी दिल दे के चल जाना सीखो जी, आहा तुम भी दिल दे के चल जाना सीखो जी। कैसे? दिल दे के देखो दिल दे के देखो दिल दे के देखो जी, दिल लेने वालों दिल देना सीखो जी, ओ दिल लेने वालों दिल देना सीखो जी। दिल दे के देखो दिल दे के देखो दिल दे के देखो जी, दिल लेने वालों दिल देना सीखो जी, ओ दिल लेने वालों दिल देना सीखो जी।
So be my little sugar and love me all the time. So be my little sugar and love me all the time. So be my little sugar and love me all the time. Little sugar and love me all the time.
The English pop duo Wham were one of the most commercially successful acts of the 80s, and Last Christmas is a song that was on everyone's lips at that time. It was later reproduced in 1995 in the film Akele Hum Akele Tum, and the singers were Anu Malik and Kumar Sanu. We think our singers are rock stars too. Tell us if you agree.
Last Christmas I gave you my heart, but the very next day you gave it away. This year, to save me from tears, I'll give it to someone special. Last Christmas I gave you my heart, but the very next day you gave it away. This year, to save me from tears, I'll give it to someone special. Once bitten and twice shy, I keep my distance, but you still catch my eye. Tell me, baby, do you recognize me? Well, it's been a year, it doesn't surprise me. I wrapped it up and sent it with a note saying, I love you, I meant it. Now I know what a fool I've been, but if you kiss me now, I know you'd fool me again. Last Christmas I gave you my heart, but the very next day you gave it away. This year, to save me from tears, I'll give it to someone special.
Bahar is copied from an English number in the 60s. Neil Sedaka sang O Carol in 1961. And then Kavita Krishnamurthy sang it for the film Kya Kehna in 2000. Of course, music director Rajesh Roshan says his song is not copied but inspired. We believe that, don't we?
I am but a fool. Darling, I love you, though you treat me cruel. You hurt me, and you make me cry. But if you leave me, I will surely die. Darling, there will never be another, 'cause I love you so. Don't ever leave me, say you'll never go. I will always want you for my sweetheart, no matter what you do. Oh, Carol, I'm so in love with you. शहर से आज घर है मेरा, गुल गुलजार क्या कहना।
हम तुम यूं ही मिलते रहे, महफिल यूं ही सजती रहे, बस प्यार की यही एक धुन हर सुबह शाम बजती रहे। गले में महकता रहे प्यार भरी बाहों का हार क्या कहना।
खिले खिले शहर से आज घर है मेरा, गुल गुलजार क्या कहना।
Coming up next is an Indonesian song by Peter Pan and its copied version from the film Wo Lamhe. The words are really tough, and one brave student of Varsha Ma'am's online classes sang it and sent a video from Mumbai. Check out his confidence and the ease with which he sings it. We think he's done a fab job, and enjoy the Hindi version as well.
Hatiku bimbang namun tetap pikirkanmu selalu, selalu dalam hatiku. Ku melangkah sejauh apapun itu, selalu kau ada di dalam hatiku. Ah, 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 ah. Ku berjalan memutar waktu romanse sa hatimu Mengerti aku ingin engkau begitu Mengerti kau tak di dalam hatiku Tak bisakah kau menungguku Hingga nanti tetap menunggu Tak bisakah kau menuntungku Menemani dalam hidupku
क्यों आजकल नींदें कम ख्वाब ज़्यादा है लगता खुदा का कोई नेक इरादा है कलता फकीर आज दिल शहज़ादा है लगता खुदा का कोई नेक इरादा है क्या मुझे प्यार है या ऐसा कुमार है या क्या मुझे प्यार है या ऐसा कुमार है या ओ ओ ओ पत्थर के इन रस्तों पे फूलों की एक चादर है जब से मिले हो हमको बदला हर एक मंजर है देखो जहाँ में नीले नीले आसमां तले रंग नए नए हैं जैसे घुलते हुए सोए थे ख्वाब मेरे जागे तेरे वास्ते तेरे ख्यालों में ही भीगे मेरे रास्ते क्या मुझे प्यार है या ऐसा कुमार है या क्या मुझे प्यार है या ऐसा कुमार है या
You're going to get goosebumps when you hear the next song. When Paul Robeson sang Old Man River, he was addressing the river Mississippi for being a silent spectator to slavery and the injustices meted out to Africans in those times. Then, Assamese singer Bhupen Hazarika, known for his poignant civil rights songs, shook India's collective conscience with his Gonga Tumi Boicho Kano. We will sing parts of the original English along with the Bengali and Hindi versions of the song.
Old Man River, that old man river, he must know something, but don't say nothing. He just keeps rolling, he keeps on rolling along.
দুপারের অসংখ্য মানুষের হাহাকার শুনেও নিঃশব্দে নীরবে ও গঙ্গা বইছো কেন বিস্তীর্ণ দুপারের অসংখ্য মানুষের হাহাকার শুনেও নিঃশব্দে নীরবে ও গঙ্গা তুমি গঙ্গা বইছো কেন নৈতিকতার স্খলন দেখেও মানবতার পতন দেখেও নির্লজ্জ অলস ভাবে বইছো কেন বিস্তীর্ণ দুপারের অসংখ্য মানুষের হাহাকার শুনেও নিঃশব্দে নীরবে ও গঙ্গা তুমি গঙ্গা বইছো কেন
অসংখ্য মানুষের হাহাকার শুনে
নিঃশব্দে নীরবে ও গঙ্গা তুমি গঙ্গা হয়েছ কেন?
So many English singers and songs have inspired our Indian music directors. So let me ask you, do you find something missing? Aren't we missing out the king of pop, Elvis Presley? So we now present his Margarita, sung on screen, and the equally popular Hindi version, originally sung by Rafi Saab. If Elvis sings Margarita, we sing O Priya.
Makes my heart beat like thunder? Who makes my temperature rise? Who makes me tremble with wonderful rapture, with one burning glance from her eyes? Margarita. Once I was free as a gypsy, a creature too wild to tame. Then suddenly I saw Margarita, and I was caught like a moth in the flame. Margarita is her name. Margarita. Have made me a prisoner, a slave to her every command. She captivates me and intoxicates me with one little touch of her hand. Margarita.
जो सपनों में आया, कौन है जो दिल में समाया? लो झुक गया आसमां भी, इश्क मेरा रंग लाया।
कौन है जो सपनों में आया, कौन है जो दिल में समाया? लो झुक गया आसमां भी, इश्क मेरा रंग लाया।
ओ प्रिया ओ प्रिया जिंदगी के हर एक मोड़ पे मैं गीत गाता चला जा रहा हूँ। जिंदगी का आलम न पूछो, मंजिलों से बढ़ा जा रहा हूँ, मंजिलों से बढ़ा जा रहा हूँ। कौन है जो सपनों में आया, कौन है जो दिल में समाया? जो झुक गया आसमां भी, इश्क मेरा रंग लाया। ओ प्रिया ओ प्रिया
present another Pappi Lahiri chartbuster from the film Pyara Dushman. Everyone who has heard the original One Way Ticket by Eruption knows that the Hindi version is a direct copy. But when Usha Uthup steps in to render a song in her inimitable style, the result is sheer magic. Clap along if you like the songs.
One way ticket, 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 one way ticket to the blue. Choo-choo train jumping down the track, gotta travel on and never coming back. Ooh, got a one-way ticket to the blue. Bye bye love, my baby's leaving me. Now only teardrops are all that I could see. Ooh, ooh, got a one-way ticket to the blue. Gonna take a trip to Lonesome Town. Gonna stay at Heartbreak Hotel. A fool such as I, such as there never was. I cry, I feel so well. One-way ticket, one-way ticket, one-way ticket, one-way ticket, one-way ticket, one-way ticket to the blue. Hari Om Hari, 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 Hari Om Hari. Ooh, Hari Om Hari, 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 Hari Om Hari. गम है कोई तो दम मारो यारो, दम की दुआ से गम की खुशी है, चूर नशे में ये जिंदगी है. हरि ओम हरि, 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 हरि ओम हरि. चढ़ती लहर जैसे चढ़ती जवानी, खिलती कली का खिला रूह. जाने कब कैसे कहाँ हाथों से फिसल जाए, जैसे गल जाए चढ़ी रूह. Once in every lifetime comes a love like this. I need you, you need me. Oh my honey, can't you see? Hari Om Hari, 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 Hari Om Hari. Ooh, one-way ticket, one-way ticket, one-way ticket, one-way ticket, one-way ticket, one-way ticket to the blue.
Please curtains down করে দিন। এবার সব রেডি হবে এখানে। Okay, so there are a few thanks. I might as well say it now because I will run with the kids when it's over. We are a little 5-10 minutes overdue. First of all, thanks to the ICCR staff, to Bapi for the sound. We've taken tracks from the internet, but there was a lot of editing to be done. And some tracks were made, so Shantanu Ghosh has done them for us. My student Rishi Sood, in fact, 4 of them sang and sent videos. So one of them was from Adelaide, Manan Ruparelia. There was Siddhant Modi. There was Sarang Sheth, my son. And there was Rishi Sood. They're all on online classes, still continuing with their music. So Rishi has done a lot of the edits for us. I'm very proud of him. Ritesh Gandhi has done the videos for us, the editing of some tracks and the videos. Our Compares, Isha Sinha, Simran Sadhwani, Pari Bhansali and Sanya Thakrar. I called them in just on Friday and gave them their papers and said, Abhi jao, jo karna hai stage mein, it's all yours. I think they've done a fab job. My backstage helpers, I will call them up finally when this curtain goes up. Hiral Sayani, Anupama Junjunwala, an old friend, a teacher from Akshar, and Karishma Shah, who's always there with me. I will call them up on the stage in the end. If I forget, just come up because we must have a group photograph. Lots of students and their spouses have pitched in and helped in a lot of ways. So I won't say in what ways, but Minesh Thakrar, Poonam Kataria, Manisha Malani, Deepti Mehta, Hetal Malani, Harshita and Siddharth Bhimani. And I hope I haven't forgotten anybody, but everybody has pitched in and said, koi help chahiye, to I am there. And I've said, haan chahiye, and I've promptly handed them some work to do. They've been very helpful, very supportive. Last but not the least, my husband Sanjay. Sanjay, you have to get up and take a bow. He has an excellent ear for music. So I always ask him, theek hai? If he says, theek hai, I'm like, hush. If he says, theek nahi ho raha hai, then I ragdo the students. Because tum log ka aana parega, we must brush up the songs. He also knows when a group is singing. I mean, I as the teacher will know ki kiska voice off ja raha hai. But even he tells me, you know, that one in pink or that one in black one, uska off ja raha tha. So he's got a very keen ear. So I value that. Thank you so much. Bhavna Hemani, she is not here. She is always there. She had to leave early, but she is always there. And if I say the concert at 11, students are coming at 10, I'm going there at 9. She says, I'm coming with you at 9. And she comes in and she checks all the technicals. And she always tells the children to groove and move. Have you seen any change in their body language since our last show? Earlier, they would all stand like that. Very stiff. And I've got little placards. Just give them to me. So I told them, and I did it. I told you all to clap. I told them this. I showed them this to encourage them sometimes. This when they were missing the tempo. And this that told them they have to move a little bit. I made these last night. They thought I was joking when I said, keep looking at me. But this is what I meant. I was going to keep guiding them throughout. Kids, are you all ready out there? Can I open or is there still Jhamela? They're ready. So this is our last song. We're doing it in parts. I hope they can do it in parts like we planned it during class. I will stay on stage for this one. So are you ready to rock it? Okay.
When Johnny comes marching home again, hurrah, hurrah, we'll give him a hearty welcome then, hurrah, hurrah. The men will cheer and the boys will shout, the ladies they will all turn out and we'll all feel gay when Johnny comes marching home. Old church bell will peal with joy, hurrah, hurrah, to welcome home my darling boy, hurrah, hurrah. The men with trucks and lassies say with roses they will strew the way and we'll all feel gay when Johnny comes marching home. बोले तुमने मैंने कुछ कहा, कहा, मगर न जाने ऐसा क्यों लगा, लगा कि धूप में खिला है चांद दिन में रात हो गई कि प्यार के बिना कहे सुने ही बात हो गई। न बोले तुम न मैंने कुछ कहा, कहा, मगर न जाने ऐसा क्यों लगा, लगा कि धूप में खिला है चांद दिन में रात हो गई कि प्यार के बिना कहे सुने ही बात हो गई।
बोले तुम न मैंने कुछ कहा मगर न जाने ऐसा क्यों लगा कि धूप में खिला है चांद दिन में रात हो गई कि प्यार के बिना कहे सुने ही बात हो गई धुली सी आज सांसों में किसी की सांस है ये कौन आज दिल के मेरे आस पास है धीरे धीरे हो रहा है प्यार का नशा न बोले तुम न मैंने कुछ कहा मगर न जाने ऐसा क्यों लगा कि धूप में खिला है चांद दिन में रात हो गई कि प्यार के बिना कहे सुने ही बात हो गई
Thank you. Don't anybody move. Can I have a group photograph, please, with my bachas? ये लोग हमको टोपी पहना रहे हैं. हम नीचे हो जाए क्या? हम नीचे हो जाए? Now I need Anupama Junjunwala to come in front here. Hiral Sayani to come in front here. Isha, who is not singing, but she came in to compare. Sanjay, please come up. And Karishma. Have I missed anybody? Isha is already here. She's very much a part of our team. One photograph with my helpers as well, everybody, without whom it would be impossible. Thank you so much. For the children, one last word before you go. We've got chutti tomorrow. You've all worked so hard. They have really ragadoed. I've called them extra. They've come at 12 in the afternoon, sweating. They've come through the rain to do extra rehearsals. We had chutti from tomorrow till 12th June. I reopen on 13th June. I will show you all the video then and I will give all ice cream because I couldn't give it to you. I kept saying, ice cream nahi khana. Gala baith jayega, mera show kharab hoga. So when you come to my house, I promise you I'll give you ice cream and we will see the video together. After that, I will upload it on YouTube. So those who haven't seen it have to wait till 13th June. For that 1 week, as every batch comes in, we will watch the video in class together, see where we made the mistakes and enjoy it and also learn from our mistakes. Okay? And then I will see you all on 13th June. Uske baad, we will upload every song separately on YouTube so you can see your child's performance that time also. I've asked him to take slightly close-up shots. Thank you so much. You can take your children from here. Thank you. 3 cheers for these people. I won't say bachas because the ladies are also there. They are a solid gang and I love each and every one of them. So 3 cheers for all my students. You all can cheer for them. Hip hip. Hip hip. Hip hip. Have a nice summer vacation, everybody. They asked me, हमने हुर्रे सुर में कहा कि नहीं? सुर में था.